Welcome, travel back with me again to 2010, where I prepare bathwater. It's more interesting than it sounds.
So I literally just got caught in a sleet storm. Like, no lie, I'm walking home, and it starts to rain really bad, and it starts stinging my face, right? And I look at my fleece, and there's like these little chunks of ice all over it. I mean, it's Africa, it's not supposed to do that. Then, of course, now, like 2 minutes after I'm home, it's all nice and barely raining at all. Man, I need a bath.
This awkward silence is brought to you by U.S. copyright laws.
Alright, so as many of you probably heard, I don't actually have hot water in my apartment. The hot water heater is broken or something like that. So here's what I go through to take a bath. Alright, over here I got the bathtub is filling up. That's probably about enough water. Okay, the more water I got, the more water I have to cook, and that's not cool. Then I also got this bucket over here, and I will fill that with hot water for kind of like a final rinsing cap. When I start getting ready to take a bath, I'll always kick this little baby on, this little heater, and then I'll close both doors to kind of get the temperature in the bathroom to some sort of comfortable level. Yeah, this whole cooking water thing usually takes a while, so good book is always cool. Right now I'm reading The Hobbit for like the second time. It's actually Nessa's book. Thank you very much. Well, it's been about an hour, but the bath water is ready. And alright, let's do it. Wow, yeah, this water is amazing. You can't really appreciate it unless you know how cold it is right now, but it's awesome. Hey, my camera lens is all falling. Wait, you thought I...
Hey, me again. Buddha gas, apparently really dangerous. Electric heat, asking to be electrocuted right next to the water. And about the safest form of heat right there. Good times.
We're on top. It's so fun, I don't want to stop. Well, I'm washing my face and having so much fun. Well, I don't ever let the water run. No, I don't ever let the water run. Well, I'm washing my teeth on the bottom. I don't know the words to the song. Well, I'm trying to make a movie and having so much fun. And don't ever let the water run.
The moments that happen to get frozen in time are very random and varied, but I'm okay with this being a part of it. See you next time.